I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you need to remove a device from your BMO bank account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your BMO account. Start by opening the BMO mobile app or visiting the BMO website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, look for the Settings or Profile section, then select Security Settings. This is where you can manage your devices. Step 3. View Registered Devices. In the Security Settings, find the option that says Manage Devices or Registered Devices. Click on it to see a list of devices linked to your account. Step 4. Select the device to remove. From the list, choose the device you want to remove. There will typically be an option next to each device labeled Remove or Delete. Step 5. Confirm removal. After clicking Remove, a confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm that you want to delete the device from your account. Make sure to double check that it is the correct device before confirming. If you accidentally remove the wrong device, you may need to go through the reauthorization process to add it back. I hope this guide helps you manage your devices easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.